Are you tired of taking stunning photos with your smartphone and not making any money from them? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary free app that allows you to turn your passion for photography into a lucrative income stream. Discover how thousands are using this app to sell their captivating images and generate a steady stream of income. Say goodbye to missed opportunities and start monetizing your photos today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine having the freedom to capture breathtaking moments and get paid for it. IAM.com. This is an amazing platform to showcase your talent, connect with buyers, and earn a steady income from the comfort of your own smartphone. IAM turns your passion for photography into a lucrative business opportunity. You can now make money by selling your stunning photos to a global audience. Make money every time you sell. An image can sell again and again to multiple clients. You'll earn money every time. You choose which images you want to sell and retain the copyright to your work. Every photo has a price, and when someone purchases your photo, you'll earn a share of the price. You can also offer photos in bundles with higher price, and you'll get your earnings through PayPal. And the best part, they're using artificial intelligence to automatically tag your uploaded photos, which saves a ton of time. Don't let those beautiful photos go to waste. Sign up today and embark on an exciting journey towards turning your passion into profit. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.